Hey everyone, it's Jeremiah. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you on a visual and textual journey through the Boys Brigade Company. Get ready to see the incredible moment that defines us. Our Boys Brigade Company is more than just a group, it's a vibrant community. Diversity is our strength, whether it's camping, learning new skills, or engaging with our community. The Boys Brigade bring together boys from all walks of life in the spirit of unity. Character building is at the core of what we do. Watch as our boys dive into workshops, team exercise, and outdoor adventures, shaping them into confident and resilient. We believe in making a positive impact. Join us as we highlight moments where our boys contribute to their communities, making a difference beyond the bonds of our company. Leadership is learned through action. From leading drill to organizing events, our boys are given opportunity to step into leadership roles, fostering skills that will serve them throughout life. As we wrap up this journey, it's clear that the Boys Brigade is more than a company. It's a family. Thanks for joining us on this visual exploration of the Boys Brigade Company. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content.